Hello, I am Miral. Today, we dive into the world of energy, the very essence that powers our universe. Energy is a fascinating concept. It's the ability to do work, to make things happen. It's what powers your favorite toy car, lights up your room at night, and even cooks your food. But here's the cool part. Energy is constantly changing forms. It can transform from one type to another like magic. Energy is everywhere, and it comes in many forms. Let's explore them together. First up, we have thermal energy. This hotshot is called thermal energy, also known as heat energy. Imagine tiny particles inside everything moving super fast. That rapid movement creates heat. You can feel thermal energy when you hold a hot cup of cocoa, or when the sun warms your skin on a sunny day. Even volcanoes use thermal energy when they erupt. The hotter something is, the more thermal energy it has. Next, we have radiant energy. And yes, it's all about light. Radiant energy is the energy of electromagnetic waves, and light is a form we're all familiar with. Imagine light as a group of happy waves, traveling from the sun, bouncing off objects, and landing in our eyes. These waves can be different colors, creating the beautiful spectrum we see in a rainbow. And it's not just about seeing. Radiant energy is also the reason plants can make food, or why a light bulb can brighten a room. So, every time you see a rainbow or turn on a light, you're experiencing radiant energy. Now, let's talk about mechanical energy, the energy of motion. There are two main types: kinetic energy, which is the energy of movement like a rolling ball, and potential energy, which is stored energy, like a stretched spring ready to pounce. When you ride a bike, you're using kinetic energy. A roller coaster uses both types: potential energy at the top of the hill and then whoosh, kinetic energy as it zooms down. Electrical energy, a form of energy we all use every day. It's quite fascinating, really. Electrical energy is all about the flow of electric charges, or as some of us like to say, electrons. Picture it like a bustling freeway, with electrons zipping along the circuit. And it's everywhere around us. The lightning that streaks across the sky, that's electrical energy. The power that lights up our homes and keeps our gadgets running? Yep, that's electrical energy too. So, every time you switch on your TV or charge your phone, that's electrical energy in action. Have you ever thought about what sound actually is? It's energy. Now let's imagine a pebble dropped into a still pond. The ripples, like sound, are waves produced by a vibration. Sound energy, in essence, is the movement of these vibrations through a medium, like air or water. Think of the chatter in a crowded room, the strumming of a guitar, or the thunderous applause at a concert. These are all examples of sound energy at work. So whether it's your favorite song or the sound of raindrops, that's sound energy for you. Now, let's talk about chemical energy, the energy stored in atoms and molecules. Picture this: when you munch on your favorite snack, your body breaks down the molecules, releasing the energy stored within. This is a chemical reaction, and it's how our bodies get the energy to do just about everything. Similarly, when you fill your car with gasoline and it combusts in the engine, energy is released, powering your car. So whether it's the food you eat or the gasoline in your car, that's chemical energy at work. Let's now move on to nuclear energy, the power within the atom. This remarkable energy is stored in the nucleus of atoms, and it's released through two processes: fission, where the nucleus splits, and fusion, when nuclei combine. These processes power many things around us. Nuclear fission lights up our cities, while nuclear fusion fuels the sun and the stars, lighting up the entire universe. So, whether it's powering a city or a star, that's nuclear energy for you. Have you ever felt the wind on your face and wondered about its power? That's wind energy. Harnessing the kinetic energy of moving air, wind energy is a powerful, renewable resource. Picture a windmill or a wind turbine. These structures capture the wind's energy. As the wind blows, it spins the blades of the turbine, which is connected to a generator that converts this mechanical energy into electricity. From grinding grain in old-fashioned windmills to generating power for modern cities, So whether it's a windmill or a wind turbine, that's wind energy at work. Last but not least, we have gravitational energy, the energy of position. Think about an object high up, like a book on a shelf or a bird in the sky. They have energy because of where they are, and this energy can change into motion. For instance, when the book falls or the bird swoops down, this is gravitational energy at work. So, whether it's an apple falling from a tree or a satellite orbiting Earth, that's gravitational energy for you. And there we have it, 10 types of energy that power our world. From the heat we feel, to the light we see, and the wind we experience, energy is everywhere. Remember, all forms of energy are interconnected and constantly transforming. Until next time, keep exploring.